Good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening. Today we speak about visa 13A after approve, and something questions we today can open what before we don't know, and maybe new information for everybody who watch our video.
And by the way, first of all, guys, I'd like to thank everybody who watched our previous video. So the last one that we uploaded, we talk about the time that we claim the approved permanent resident visa of Artem. So today we're going to walk you through about the process and the procedure of claiming, and as well as what will be your expectations when you are going to claim your permanent resident visa. So this might also be helpful for you as you're going through the process. So first of all, the reason why did we go to the Bureau of Immigration instead of just waiting for their text message, my love? Because they mentioned that they're going to send us a text message.
Because I can treat my number where I can check in the online
In the
my
website.
status.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're going for the immigrations to check what my status
Mm.
and check and get visa.
Yeah, so there is a website of the Bureau of Immigration that you can actually check whether the visa has already been implemented. But the problem is the Bureau of Immigration is giving you something like this, which is not clear, and the application I number here cannot be really seen clearly what's the number. So that's the problem that we had encountered. So when we process it, that was March 6th.
Yes.
March 6th, and we were thinking maybe there's already an update, but we cannot find it in the website of Bureau of Immigration. So it might be better that we are just going to go to their office and check, because we want to know what is the application number so that we can be able to check it on their website.
And one moment, very important moment in the website, how you not in menu and your applications finally done. You need probably wait 2 maybe 4 weeks, because for the immigrations need transport your document. This is get time. For day to day can get only in manual.
Yeah. So if it's being processed in different
Please.
different Bureau of Immigration office, like the provinces, like here in Davao,
Or Cebu.
yeah, or Cebu, so it will be processed in Manila. So it's only Manila office is going to do the approval of your visa. So it will also take time for them to be able to do that, and that's the reason why you have to wait for the approval of the visa. And it can be checked there, as what I've mentioned, can be checked there in the website. However, the application number that they have given us is not clear. So let's talk about your document that you have to be able to bring there. So since we went to the Bureau of Immigration, we just prepared the document that we have submitted, the one that you have submitted before, these documents that you have provided to the immigration officer. It will be best that you are also going to bring that, because it contains like the claiming slip, I think so, for the ACR card.
Yes.
So yeah.
And check ready document or not ready document for your visa, because something need check physically.
Yes. So you need to be able to bring your passport and the documents that you have submitted previously. You have your own copy of this one. This was given to you by the immigration officer as your own copy. So you have to be able to bring that one, and definitely you need to be able to have your passport, because if it's already implemented, they can already be able to do so. So when we approach the BI officer actually checked the documents that they have received coming from Manila, and he mentioned to us that, oh, actually it's already here, but we are going to notify
Release
you.
on the 20 June.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
We little bit lucky, saved 7 days.
Yeah, we went there June 13, and it's good thing that we have visited because they're supposed to provide us an update via text message. I think so because that's what they mentioned earlier, that they're going to send us an SMS if the visa is already ready. They are supposed to inform us by June 20, and since we're already there, so he just processed and he asked for Artem's passport, and then he did
Stamp
yes.
and write something number. I don't know what he include for the stamp.
So the visa order looks the same way as the one that you have received for your probationary visa. So before reaching to the stage of processing the permanent resident visa, you had your probationary visa, right? So the visa order is just the same as like that. And then it will be also stamped in your passport, and in the visa order it will mention there that there is a granting of the visa, and the visa validity is already permanent. So here we can see as to when is the approval date of the visa. So we process it by March 6, and then it was approved by May 8, which means to say that
2 months.
yes, so that was approved in 2 months time, and then I think they have mailed it back again to the BI office here in Davao, and they are supposed to inform us by June 20. So which means to say that it's about from March to June, it's about 3 months.
3 months, yes.
3 months and 2 weeks, right? So now that you already have your visa order, the BI officer will stamp, as I mentioned, in your passport, and then he will also be able to inform you about some reminders that in regards to your permanent resident visa. So what did he reminded you, Myla?
First, him say every year. This is January. From February, you need to pay for the statement 1 year.
Annual report.
Annual report, yes, every year. Second, how we want going out, I need get exit clearance for the immigrations. So ICR card given for 5 years, but need renew before expirations 2 months.
2
So
months.
and anytime save copy document about visa, because need how you going to change your international passport, you need change update your stamp. It's need going much better for the same office. So and document need for the customs in the airport.
Yes, so since the ACR card was already done as well, so the BI immigration officer released that one. So there is no biometric, there is no picture taking that was done. They just released the ACR card of Artem, and they mentioned that it will be valid for 5 years. So with regards to the ACR card, that's one of the things, not the ACR card, exit clearance. That's one of the things that we specifically asked about them because Artem is planning to go out after some months. So we were thinking, should he be getting it coming from the office, or can it be taken just in the airport? So the BA officer mentioned that it can be done in the airport as well, but we don't know really actually with regards to the process of that exit clearance. But he mentioned that it can be done in the BI office here in Davao 1 week, right?
Yes, 1 week before flight.
1 week before flight. And then he mentioned as well that you have to keep the visa order always with you, and definitely I think that you are also going to always bring your passport, definitely. So you just keep the copy of the BI order with you as well, so that if ever that you need something, then you can be able to present that if ever that there is a need to do so. So what are the things that we have also asked? We asked about, because there was someone who commented in our YouTube channel, and she mentioned about the extension of the tourist visa because they process the probationary visa. So we asked that coming from the officer, and the officer mentioned that if there is a certain visa which was the current status of a certain foreign individual, and then it was changed to a probationary visa, if the probationary visa was not yet released and there is a need for an extension, definitely the tourist visa should be extended. However, if it's already a process with the probationary visa and change it to a 13A permanent resident visa, even if the ACR card has already expired, then there is no need to process any extension of the visa. So, which means to say that from a certain status to probationary, if there is a need to extend, then that has to be done, extension. But if it's already lodged from the probationary to the permanent resident visa, then there is no problem so long as it's already processed. So, I think the processing was quite pretty fast.
Yes, we give
Yeah.
for the office only 1 hour, maybe
Mm.
less than 1 hour.
Yes. We came there at what time?
9
9,
plus minus, I don't know, minutes. Going out
10:30.
10.
Yeah,
No, early.
10. So we had done it like we waited for everything to be accomplished in just an hour. It was not so crowded. So we are also very thankful for the BI officers as well, who had been very accommodating, and we are very thankful as well that the permanent visa has already been released. So we have shown you last week about the look of the ACR card, and it was already changed from the purple one to the yellow
Yeah,
one.
yes. Why yellow t-shirt?
That's why you're wearing a yellow t-shirt. So when we also had the interview by the hearing officer, she mentioned that as you mentioned, the ACR card will just need to be renewed 2 months.
2 months before expiration.
Before it's going to expire, because the ACR card is valid for 5 years. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time in watching this video, and for all of those who subscribe to our channel, thank you as well. If ever that you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section, and we would be happy to be able to help you with regards to the process of the 13A permanent resident visa. Do you have anything, Marta?
I glad people with us watch
Mm.
video,
Mm.
enjoy, and ask what interested.
Yes, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would really appreciate if you can subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and see you again next week.
Yes,
Bye everyone.